Hey there, today I'm gonna show you how to make touchless doorbell by using ultrasonic sensor and Arduino. Nowadays touchless switch is very important because of COVID-19. Whatever, let's make it. I've already made a video about ultrasonic sensor in detail. If you missed that one, you can watch that video. Link in description. So this is the diagram of this project, that is touchless doorbell. Now the programming section. It's almost same from ultrasonic tutorial. Just add the buzzer pin and a condition. Okay. So condition is here. My condition is if a man or something is getting 12 cm or less close to the sensor, the buzzer will turn on. Otherwise, the buzzer remains off. That's it. So let's see the output.